Good morning, teachers and friends. Have you ever heard someone say, what do we need to learn math? Mathematics is all around us. We use it every day, even if we don't notice. When we cut our toys, we are using math. When we look at the clock to change the times, then it's math too. In the morning, we see number on the calendar to make the day. This number helps us place our day. At school, we use math to solve a problem in our book, like adding or subtracting number. We also use it during our class when we measure paper or draw shape. At home, math is useful too. Our parents use math when cooking, then measure in like sugar, flour, and water to make tasty meal. Sometimes they use a timer to make sure food does burn. This math helping use again. Mathematics is important when we go shopping. We add up price to know how much money to pay. If we use counts or bill, we guess our price to make sure it is correct, even when saving money in a bigger bag, because how much we have. Mathematics is fun in games too. When we play board games, we use to space to move forward, set like circles, squares, and circles are everywhere. We see them in building, roadside, and toys. Even letters has math. Flowers have vector and animals use math to build their home. From example, we make honeycomb with fiber hexagon. Math is like a friend that helps use math sense of the world. It's made like easier and more fun. Whether we are putting, measuring, or playing math, it's always there. So the next time we